the Edifier GM6. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a pair of earbuds that are ideal for the gamers, the Edifier GM6. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The GM6 features 7 hours of listening time, 21 hours with the case, aptX low latency, Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 302X chipset, touch controls, 6mm drivers, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case has a gaming look and design to it. It has a matte finish all around with a brush logo and finish on the top. On each side you have a bright LED light that will function as a status indicators. And on the back is a micro USB charge port. The lid is magnetic and it's easy to open and close. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The lights are very visible once you open it and you can see the ear markings inside. These have a stem design with a matte finish on the inside, and you'll also see the ear indicators. On the outer face, it has a glossy finish along with the logo and touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphone, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is a few taps to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 3 by 1.5 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 45 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in fears just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier GM6 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone worked great. It came in loud and clear and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When it comes to gaming, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Edifier GM6. The earbuds had a good fit and seated well in my ears. It created a good seal and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls didn't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The case has a gaming look to it with the bright LED indicators. They feel durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds have a pretty slim profile once seated in the ears. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. And battery life is good, coming in at 7 hours and 21 total with the case. I would have liked to have seen USB-C and wireless charging and a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, these didn't disappoint. It was prominent and it comes in punchy and tight. Definitely not lacking, and it doesn't sound boosted. Mids and highs also come in clear. There's good separation and depth. It has crisp sounds, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel that the Edifier GM6 is a good fit for the gamers. It does miss out on some points that I have mentioned earlier, but the sounds and microphones don't disappoint. So that is my review at the Edifier GM6 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.